Hey everyone, it's Amelia here. How's it going? Today I want to talk about something so many people struggle with, losing weight. Let's be real, it's not easy. Some people try everything and still can't lose even 1 or 2 kilos. And after a while, they just give up and think, maybe I'm just meant to stay this way. But I want to tell you about something that could change that mindset. It's called Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. This is a natural tonic made from a powerful blend of ingredients that's been helping people speed up their metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and regain confidence. If you've been feeling stuck in your weight loss journey, this might be the exact thing you need to finally see real results. So stay with me for a few minutes while I tell you what makes Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic so special and how it works. First of all, only buy Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic from the official website. That's super important because it guarantees you're getting the real product with full benefits, best discounts, and even bonuses. I've included the link below this video. Now, how does it work? It's actually really simple. You mix this powdered supplement with water, and it becomes a refreshing tonic that starts working from the inside out. It boosts your metabolism, so your body naturally starts burning more fat, even those stubborn areas like visceral fat around your belly. At the same time, it helps your body detox, flushing out toxins and free radicals that are slowing your system down. This is what helps you slim down in a healthy way without starving yourself or over-exercising. But it doesn't stop there. Sumatra also helps. Improves your digestion, boost your immune system, support better sleep, enhance your skin and hair health. All of this comes from its 100% natural formula, packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients your body actually needs. And the best part? It's safe and has no side effects. Whether you're just starting your wellness journey or trying to hit your dream body goals, anyone can use Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. And here's what I really love. The manufacturers offer a 100% money-back guarantee. So, if for any reason you don't like it or it doesn't work for you, you can simply ask for a refund. No stress at all. So go ahead, check out the official website below. You can choose a 3 or 6 month treatment and start seeing real change. Take it seriously, stay consistent, and good luck. Your weight loss journey could begin today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.